Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable color correction feature on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, so it can be really useful if you have difficulty of perceiving colors. So in order to do that, go to your settings, scroll down until you'll find your accessibility tab. Here it is. Now here find your visual enhancement tab, click on it. Then find your color correction. Oh, here it is. Now simply toggle it on by clicking on the switch. Now color correction is on. There are 4 different regimes of color correction. So the first one is Deuteranopia, for those who have trouble distinguishing between red and green. The second one is Protanopia, for those who have red green spectrum. Next one is Tritanopia for issues with blue and yellow, and the last one is grayscale. It's black and white mode. To turn off this function, simply toggle the switch and you're back to normal. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.